everyone, welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. So today we are going to discuss about one of the important topics of current affairs for CLAT 2024. It is about Performance Grading Index. It is a report released by Ministry of Education in lines with National Education Policy 2020. So the thing is, we are preparing this topic for CLAT 2024. So we need to know what to read and what to skip. So today here we are going to read this topic exclusively for our CLAT 2024 exam. What type of questions you can expect, how to approach this topic, everything in detail. Now, Performance Grading Index. What is it? It is basically a report released by Ministry of Education to assess the performance of different states and districts regarding the implementation of programs regarding education. So, already government have released this National Education Policy, which is completely changing the structure of the education system in India. So, to achieve the objective of this National Education Policy, we need to improve the performance, we need to change the administrative structure, we need to bring some reforms. So, whether our states are developing or not, whether our states are implementing those reforms or not. So, through this index, we will get to know about that. So, this report is for 2021 and 2022. So, basically, this report is based on two broad categories. One is outcomes, other is governance management. So, as you know, what is outcome? So, whether there is improvement in literacy or not, whether there is improvement in skills among the students or not, that is the outcome. And governance management is whether our departments are functioning, whether our departments are implementing the reforms properly. So these are the two broad categories, and these two broad categories will be subdivided into 6 classifications. So these are the 6 classifications: learning outcome, accessibility, infrastructure and facility, equity, governance process, and teachers education and training. So because all these things are very much important for getting the improvement in the overall skills. So learning outcomes directly related to the result orientation. Access, whether everyone has access towards school education or not. It can be gender friendly, it can gender neutral, it can be disabled friendly, everything. So it requires electricity, drinking water supply, sanitation facilities, everything should be required. Infrastructure facilities, equity. So all these things will be assessed in this performance grading index. So the data of different states is collected from this UDS Plus website, which is also central government run website. So all the information regarding the school education is available in this portal regarding every state. The information from these websites was collected by the central government, and they have prepared this index. So based on that, they have classified all the states in the 10 categories. So the lowest category is Akanshi 3 and the highest category is Daksh, based on the performance of these 6 categories. Here we have read the 6 categories. Based on this, they have classified all the states into 10. So the states which score is 940 plus, they are the top. The states whose score is 401 and below, they are the bottom. So based on this graph, we can come to know that all the states in India were classified from 1 to 5 only. The top category, no state achieved. So from top 5 categories, no state achieved the top 5 categories. All the states were classified into bottom 5 categories. Akanshi 3, 2, 1, Prashasta 3, 2. So these are the this is the level of performance of our states regarding education in India. But whether any state achieved the top position? No state. Out of this, we know Punjab and Chandigarh, these are the two places, Punjab state and Chandigarh UT. These are the two places, two regions which is topping the index within these categories. Okay. So if you look at this red bar, these are the states which are performing very poor. So this is the information. So this is about performance grading index. Now, what are the facts, what are the information we need to know in addition to this topic? So these are the additional pointers. So as we have discussed, this report is released by Minister of Education. We need to know who is the minister. And as we have discussed about UDS Plus, you need to know when it was implemented. So who is using that? So what is the full form of UDS Plus? And related portal, National Achievement Survey, PM Portion Portal, Urban Portal, Vijayanjali Portal. All these portals are somehow linked to this improvement in education. So we need to know all these pointers so that whatever the question they ask regarding this particular topic in the CLAT examination, you can write all these things. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare this topic. So if you have any doubts, you can always reach us to Abhyaas Lawprep. We will place the contact number and all the details in the description section. So get ready for your examination. Keep your preparation strong. So always feel free to reach us at Abhyaas Lawprep. All the best for your examination. Thank you.